Hello and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'm going to give you a tour of this fantastic R-Line Volkswagen Passat. This 2-litre diesel is finished in a lovely metallic grey. In addition to this car, you get your lovely 19-inch alloy wheels painted in Verona sterling silver, and this vehicle also comes with a tyre pressure monitoring system. You've got your chrome side window surrounds, so we'll just take you around to the rear of the car. This vehicle also comes with LED rear lights and number plate. So let's pop open the boot so you can see how much space we've got inside. So as you can see, we've got plenty of space for any shopping and plenty of room for any trip equipment like any tents or deck chairs you might want to bring with you. And then the boot is power operated, so you just press this button as shown and it will close automatically. So I'll just take you around to the side of the car so you've got a bit more of a clear view. So let's jump inside so we can see the interior. So inside you've got your touchscreen display including your DAB digital radio. This car also comes with wireless app connect to connect your Android or Apple smartphone depending on what phone you have. Got your built-in sat nav so you can see it's nice and clear, so it'll be helpful for you when you're on the road. The car also comes with lane assist, so it will help you with safer driving. And then you've got aircon. This is where you would activate your heated seats for both your passenger and yourself. The car also comes with 3-zone climate control air conditioning with automatic air recirculation to keep both you and your passenger happy. You've got your DSG gearbox, start and stop function. Got your cup holders and armrest, and then you can see you've got the full leather interior. So as you can see, it's a lovely Titan black leather nappa seats. You've got your R embroidery. Show you around the dash, and I'll just take you over to the steering wheel. The steering wheel is height and reach adjustable. This car also comes with an additional first aid kit. And then you've got your front and rear electric windows. The car also comes with sensitive windscreen wipers. And then I'll just give you a quick view of the back. So you can see you've got plenty of space for friends and children. As you can see, it's in a really good condition. Well, I hope you love the car. If this is something you may be interested in, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.